pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Marion local and long-distance movers near me. Marion, MA Local. 3 Movers, specializing in local relocations, possess an intricate understanding of navigating the city's streets and avenues. Their comprehensive suite of services ensures a smooth transition to your new home. Drawing from their local knowledge, Marion MA Local 3 Movers adeptly plan the logistics, optimizing routes for your belongings' safe journey. Beyond logistical support, this Marion MA Movers go the extra mile by offering efficient packing, meticulous unpacking, and skillful furniture assembly, disassembly. This meticulous attention to detail frees you to fully embrace your new Marion MA residence, allowing you to settle in seamlessly and enjoy the charms of your new surroundings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marion moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.